Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mortgage Pro. Today we are diving into a HELOC Q&A session, answering your burning questions about home equity lines of credit. Let's get started. Question number 1, what is a HELOC? A HELOC or home equity line of credit is a flexible loan option that allows you to borrow against the equity in your home. Think of it as a credit card, but with your home as a collateral. Question number 2, how do I qualify for HELOC? To qualify, you need sufficient home equity, a good credit score, and proof of income. Lenders will assess your financial situation to determine eligibility. Question number 3, what are the benefits of a HELOC? HELOCs offer flexibility, potentially lower interest rates, and interest that may be tax deductible. They are great for home improvements, debt consolidation, or unexpected expenses. Question number 4, are there risks involved? Yes, since your home is collateral, missing payments could lead to foreclosure. It's important to borrow responsibility and have a repayment plan. Question number 5. How is a HELOC different from a home equity loan? A HELOC is a revolving credit line, while a home equity loan provides a lump sum with fixed payments. Both use your home as collateral, but have different structures. HELOCs offer flexibility, potentially lower interest rates, and tax-deductible interest. But remember, your home is on the line, so use it wisely. Thanks for joining our HELOC Q&A. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. See you next time.